Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy cryptocurrency during a bear market, follow these step-by-step instructions to build positions strategically while prices are declining. Step 1. Understand that bear markets can last months or years. Prepare mentally for volatility and potential further declines before eventual recovery. Step 2. Implement a dollar-cost averaging strategy by investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, such as weekly or monthly, regardless of price fluctuations. Step 3. Focus on fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies with proven use cases, active development teams, and real adoption rather than speculative or trending projects. Step 4. Set aside a specific portion of your investment capital for bear market purchases. Only invest what you can afford to hold for an extended period. Step 5. Use limit orders to buy at predetermined price levels. Place orders at psychological support levels or at discounts from current prices. Step 6. Keep emergency reserves outside of crypto investments. Bear markets can present unexpected buying opportunities, but liquidity is crucial for managing personal finances. Step 7. Take profits gradually as prices recover and the market transitions to a bull phase. Avoid trying to time the absolute bottom and focus on accumulating quality assets at discount prices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.